Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do automatic numbering in Microsoft Excel like these. Let me enter some name. You can see numbers are being entered automatically. Here is how you can also do this. In the column A in cell 2 we will write is equal sequence. Now here we will use count A formula bracket start. This count A is actually for counting the text entered into the cells in column A. Write B2 and then drag it down to wherever you want it to be, like this. And close the bracket, again close it, press enter. And now if you write a name over here, you can see numbers are being entered automatically. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.